What's going on, guys? Today I'm doing a quick review of the Greener Chef bamboo cutting board. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about the cutting board, including one thing I think that you should know before buying it. All right, guys, so we've had this cutting board for a little while, and we really like it. We have obviously this side, which is a flat side, and then we tend to use this side actually a lot more. There's a little bit more of a beating. Kind of see some knife cuts at the bottom of the hole. You can see it, but basically we like this side because it has the groove. So, you know, when you're cutting up vegetables or things that will have some liquid of some sort, it makes it so that that liquid gets trapped in here. So we're really big fans of that. Now, in terms of how well it's held up, I'm trying really hard. There you go. So now you can see some cuts here, kind of when we go this way. But we've been using it, right, for a little while here, and it's been holding up really well. It is, again, made of bamboo, and it really is pretty durable for what it is overall. I feel like any cutting board over time is going to have to be replaced just as you use it and clean it and kind of beat on it. But this one is really holding up well. Now, usually when we clean it and everything, we just take it and run it under water and put some soap on it and everything. But that kind of leads me to the one thing I think everybody should really know with pretty much any wooden cutting board. So when you have a wooden cutting board, what you don't want to do, don't leave it in water, and then after you wash it and rinse it off, which we've made out of, you know, always make sure that we do this. After we rinse it off, we always wipe it down dry as well. If you don't do that, and it's yet to be seen if that'll happen here, but if you don't do that, what can happen is there's a bit of mold that can actually accumulate, and over time these can eventually warp. Now, this one says that they don't warp. Ours definitely hasn't warped yet. You can see how flat it lies on the counter. So we're really happy with it and definitely recommend it.